Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
In modern Photoshop, one of the most time-saving features is also the least discussed, the contextual taskbar. This floating toolbar at the bottom of your canvas is not static. It changes dynamically based on exactly what you are doing. Make a selection, and it immediately offers generative fill, select and mask, and inverse. Select the type tool, and it shows font controls. Click a generative layer, and it shows regenerate and generate similar. The AI powering the contextual taskbar tracks your current tool, your active selection, and the nature of your layer, and surfaces only the most relevant next actions. For beginners, it dramatically flattens the learning curve. For professionals, it eliminates navigating deep menus. Think of it as Photoshop anticipating your intentions and moving the most useful tools directly to your cursor.